Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GSAP in WordPress. GSAP, or Green Sock Animation Platform, is a robust JavaScript library that empowers developers to create stunning, high-performance web animations. It's designed for optimal performance, flexibility, and ease of use, significantly enhancing user experience with smooth, interactive, and dynamic effects. You have two main approaches for integration: either manually embedding the library into your site's code or utilizing a specialized WordPress plugin. For manual integration, first, obtain the GSAP library. You can download it directly from the Green Sock website or opt for a CDN link for a quicker setup, which loads the library from a trusted server. Next, you'll need to enqueue the GSAP script within your WordPress theme's functions. PHP file. Use the WP enqueue script function, ensuring that GSAP is listed as a dependency for any custom animation scripts you write. Remember, using a child theme is highly recommended to protect your modifications from theme updates. Once GSAP is properly enqueued, you're ready to craft your animations. It's best practice to write your custom GSAP code in a separate JavaScript file, for example, app.js. This file should then be enqueued in your functions. PHP, making sure it loads after the core GSAP library by declaring GSAP as a dependency. Within your JavaScript file, use document, add event listener, DOM content loaded to ensure all HTML elements are loaded before your animation code runs. You can then target elements using their unique ID or classes. If coding isn't your preference, plugins like Motion, Page, or animation add-ons for Elementor provide a no-code solution for creating GSAP animations. These tools offer intuitive interfaces to build complex effects. Regardless of your method, always prioritize performance. Minimize overly intricate animations, especially on mobile, and use subtle, purposeful effects to enhance user experience, not just for decoration. Finally, rigorously test your animations across different browsers and screen sizes to ensure consistent and smooth performance for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.